Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm sharing with you how to make fried rice. This easy, better than takeout fried rice recipe is ready in under 30 minutes. In a wok or a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 small white onion and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then spread out the onions to the edges to make a hole in the middle and add some more oil. Add 3 eggs and half a teaspoon of salt and cook until scrambled. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Add in your cooked rice. You will need about 4½ cups of cooked rice and mix it in with the scrambled eggs. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. You're just going to mix that all up. Then mix in 12 ounces of frozen peas and carrots and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. This looks so pretty. Add in some chopped green onions and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure to give it a taste and add more soy sauce or sesame oil to taste. And this fried rice is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for the next video. Thanks for watching.
Okay, ready to take a bite? Yummy! Yummy, yum. Really good, huh? Is this your favorite? No. Baby.